Now we're back from Bunnings and we got our pressure washer. Let's see what we ended up with. We've got the Gerni 5000, as you can see there. These are all the accessories that you get with it, and this is one of the main reasons I ended up getting this, because it did come with all those accessories. Wash your concrete using that accessory there. It's got a foam gun for cars and motorbikes and boats. It's got a selection of nozzles, and one of the biggest things is it's got an 8-metre long hose. Most other pressure washers only had a 5-metre long hose. Maximum pressure of 1885 psi. Hose length, as mentioned earlier, is 8 metres. So we've got an 8-metre hose instead of a 5-metre hose, which comes with most pressure washers. It's 1800 watt. And it uses about 8.7 litres of water per minute, which is pretty good. Okay, some use less, some use more. And here's another look at the accessories that come with it before we take it out the box. So let's open this box up and have a closer look at it. Now, first thing out of the box is another box. Let's open that up and see what's in there. This is what we need. It is the concrete washing accessory, and we will be looking at this a lot more in another video. And the second thing that's in there is a brush attachment, which would be great for cleaning cars, motorbikes and stuff along those lines, I guess. The brush does seem very soft, so it won't damage your car, which is great. Next thing out of the box, we've got some instructions. There's our 8-metre hose next. That's the next bit out of the box. There's a bag of various accessories, nozzles, hose attachments, etc. So we'll put that aside for now. Okay, there's the hose reel for the hose. There's the handle, so it looks like we're going to have to put it together. Here's the extension for the lands. Here's our little bottle for the foam gun. And there's the actual pressure washer unit. And here's a closer look out of the box. Looks pretty good to me. It's not too heavy. Pretty happy with that. Let's put it together and we'll see what it looks like. Here it is all put together. And I have given it a test run already. And I will insert some video at the end of me actually using this machine, just so you can see what it does. And I will be making more videos in the future of when I clean up all this concrete here. It's a bit of a mess of hoses there at the moment, but I'll be cleaning up this concrete and I'll be cleaning up around the shed. As you can see there, it does need a little bit of cleaning, and the concrete needs a lot of cleaning. So I will be doing that, and there will be videos on that once I get around to actually doing this job. Overall, the machine works great. I haven't had any problems with it. The only thing I found a little bit useless is that hose reel there. It was actually one of the selling points of why I bought this particular machine. However, in saying that, most pressure washers do have one of these hose reels, and I did want the larger 5000 model over some of the other smaller machines that I've looked at. And it did come with that hose reel, but look, the hose does not really like going on there. The hose is actually too stiff. The size of the hose reel is too small, so it winds the hose too tightly, in my opinion. So when you try and wind it on there, it tries, I'll show you. So when I get this hose and you try and reel it on there, have a look how small and how tightly it winds the hose. Like, the hose does not want to be that small. Okay, it's really fighting it. And once you've wound it all on, there's no way of securing it. So let's wind it all on, just so you can see. So let's wind some of this hose on there and I'll show you what happens. See, once you've wound it all on, the second you let this go, this is what happens. And that happens every time, even once you've wound everything on there. So honestly, I think this hose reel is a little bit useless and it would not be a selling feature. I've actually thought about taking it off altogether, but I'll probably just leave it there. It's a struggle. This whole thing's a struggle. And look, the only thing it might be useful for is putting the power cord on it. Let's try that. I won't even do that. Well, maybe that's all it's good for, winding up the power cord. That's all I can honestly think of, and even then, it doesn't really stay there, you know. I mean, this thing is just a waste of time, I think. They'd be better off just getting rid of that. And I've seriously thought about taking it off. But look, I think I'll just leave it there. It doesn't really matter. Now, as you just saw, the pressure washer seems to work well, and apart from the issue that I mentioned about the hose reel, I'm pretty happy with it. Now, I will be making separate videos of it cleaning various things, and I will also be testing out the various accessories that did come with this pressure washer, such as the foam lands and the various pressure washing attachments that I've got for it. So there'll be separate videos for that. So if you'd like to see any of those videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you've got any questions about anything that you saw in this video, leave your question down below and I will try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.